Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my this particular video, I am going to discuss one very interesting and frequently asked interview question related to unsupervised machine learning algorithm and the simplest one and popularly used k-means. And this question, believe me guys, many times it is asked in the interview question, and that is whether k-means clustering algorithm is sensitive to outliers or not. Sensitive means it is affected if our outlier present in our dataset, that time our this particular algorithm will be affected by a huge amount or not. The outcome will be affected by a huge amount or not. That is the question, right? So pause my video, try to think about the answer and check whether you have given correct answer or not. Here I am explaining, right? So before going to the answer, let me just show you one simple demonstration. Okay, so I am taking one array x, 1 x equal to 1 2 3 4 100. Okay, no doubt 100 is the outlier, as simple as that. Calculating mean of x, okay, you will be getting 22. Okay, median of x, you will be getting 3. Mode of x, you will be getting 1. So just check which statistical parameter is affected by a huge amount due to outlier. See, median 3, almost nearer to most of the normal data points 1 2 3 4. Mode almost nearer to rest of the data points 1 2 3 4. But mean, see, 22, it is not at all representing any single data point belonging to our data set. Neither 1 2 3 4, which are very small compared to 22, nor this outlier 100, which is very much high or far away from our this mean. So the point which I want to convey is basically nothing but mean is affected by the outlier or spikes by a huge amount. That's why while discussing digital signal processing, okay, I have discussed the topic how you can remove the noise from a signal. That time I have discussed that if you have spikes in your signal, that time you should not use moving average filter, which basically mean filter, right? You should apply median filter. That implementation I have shown you in detail, the MATLAB implementation, right? So the concept is that mean is affected by outlier or spikes by a huge amount, and what we do in k-means, multiple times we apply mean only, right? So if outlier is present in that data set, obviously the outcome is going to be affected by the outlier, okay, because mean is affected by the outlier, and internally in k-means multiple times we take mean of our data set for a cluster update, okay, center of the cluster update. So yes guys, k-means is sensitive to outlier. Remember this very important question, and this particular image which I have taken from internet Coda is perfectly describes this situation. Okay, suppose here I have one data set. Let me just show you. Okay, let me go to full screen, and here let me take the pen, and here see, here from the visual inspection itself you can understand here this is one data set, this is one data set, this kind of two clusters can be formed, but here one outlier is present, and at least this particular outlier has to be counted in any of the cluster. So when k-means is considering what is happening guys, actually this is forming one cluster and this one is going to form another cluster, and as a result center is coming here and here. But actually what should happen, this is one cluster, this is one cluster, perfectly describing the cluster of our data set, and this should be the center point. This outlier should not be considered. This should generally happen, but due to presence of the outlier, what is happening, see, output is completely deviated by a huge amount due to presence of the outlier. So the funda is very simple, k-means is affected by the outlier, very much sensitive to outlier, right? So I hope you have understood this point, and just try to feel this idea. Don't forget this guys, very important interview question, frequently asked, surely might help you in your interview question, right? Thank you for watching. This is all for my this video. If you have enjoyed this, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.